And welcome J Squad, it's your boy J and welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by, and if you're already a subscriber, yeah man, welcome back. Alright, so in today's video I'm just gonna be bringing you guys with me for just a brief moment. Yeah man, we're up on the road and me and the old man just decides to boy we'll visit the farm. Come with me now, we're gonna take this journey together. I'm looking at the progress of the farm, guys, and may I tell you, I'm happy. Really feel good about it. So yeah, guys, we just got through the little pathway right here, so, and as far as you guys' eyes can see, guys, the sorrel that you're looking at, yeah man. Sorrel, yeah, you know, sorrel, the people I love. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit, how many people I'm saying. Well, go on right there, so sorrel, yeah man. Thousands and thousands are root of sorrel, yeah man, I will for sorrel. Alright, so I'm going through the sorrel, go closer, so you guys can really see what I'm talking about, because some people don't really know about sorrel now. Look at sorrel, guys. All of this is sorrel, and hidden in between the sorrel, guys, we have some pineapples. About 11,000 roots of pineapple inside here, so yeah man. So some of the time you hear Jay says do some pineapple recipes, guys. Yeah man, that's where that comes from, guys. And also on the other side we have some original Jamaican gungo. So as far as the eye can see on this side, gungo. It's a blessing still we have country life, you know. Over here, so we have some sorrel where them just are coming into. These are less thicker than the set that we have right here. So, and as we say, we always have a pineapple in between. Always. As far as your eyes can look at all the way back down there, we have sorrel. Out front, we have some ginger. A little bit further down on the farm, we have some callaloo and stuff like that. Yeah. For the person who don't know callaloo, yeah man, that's right. Yeah? Callaloo. We have all of that on the farm, guys. See the progress, see what going on. Yeah? Workers are here today too. But one of them, the last one just left a while ago, but well, I couldn't know. I'm sure now what going on. We also have some okra on them thing there tonight too. So, everything go man. Every little something there on the farm, guys. The source of gungo peas and also right there, so I have a couple planting coming up as well. But I do a thing. Over here now, guys, is just strictly pineapple. Over here is just strictly pineapple. Go close so you guys can see. All of these. All of those. All the way down the line, pineapple. Yeah, pineapple right down the line, guys. All the way back. That's how we do it. Country life. Their country is supposed to be hungry. That them always say down. You know, just experience the farm with me. Farm life. All of this you're seeing right there, so guys are planting some okra right there, so and right now we're back at the sorrel, I'm telling you, it's really dense. So as you can see, them are soon ready for reap, you know. Give them some more time still, but they're soon ready for reap. Watch it, guys. All of that you can see right now is sorrel. None of bush that. Some people might be wondering if I just bush. No, it's not bush. It's sorrel. All of it is actual sorrel, guys. Quite a few things on the farm. color over here, so you can see them color here. A lot of these them plant back. You know the thing, you can't just cut them out and replant. So Rasta plant them back yesterday. You know the thing, go. Clean up nice and thing now, like you. Satisfied. Like it, I'm glad. Like it. Any little shrub where they will loose, Rasta take care of them today. So all of this now, guys, is fresh sorrel. Let me just put in recently. Look at them. Look at them already. Let me just go close. I'll show you guys. Look at them already. Yeah, guys. Look at those. Rich one. Look at them all come up big and strong too. Remember that a little earlier, so a little water beside the house. Right down in this one spring today, guys. So have little water where so that is where we actually get. So I can just zoom in and what you guys see. So this is where most of the water pump from, guys, that keep the farm hydrated. We just put equipment close by, just pump out water and we just spray and wet up. And so now watch your grass, man, we'll put water this and thing. Water they reach about, the water they would have reached about knee height or a little higher. Right, yeah man, at some point, some parts when the water here, guys, will cover your waist deep, you know. So you have to just be careful when you're treading. But yeah guys, yeah man, I'm glad someone there with me. A day in the life on the farm. For some people, you only see cantaloupe in a shop, a fruit stand. So let's see if I can go a little closer, guys, and just show you cantaloupe in its natural habitat, natural space. So the habitat that the cantaloupe that you guys normally get in the stores, this is what it looks like as a baby. And look at the bud. Yeah, in some cases, you could have said them look like how the cucumbers would look. But the cantaloupe now where you normally buy in the shop now, guys, this is what it looks like. So that's cantaloupe that will soon, in a few weeks or so, hit maturity and is ready for sale. Cantaloupe, yeah man, it grew up on vine too. For all the persons who didn't know what the cantaloupe looks like, yeah man, cantaloupe. Some more cantaloupe here, guys. They're not come up yet, but everything there. Y'all know what that is? Just focus on it. Yeah, focus. Alright. So, I look down on the water, guys, but I'm showing you something in the water. So, what you're looking at is a traditional, original Jamaican style fish pot. So as I told you guys, the water deep enough where you can actually find good sized fish in this water. Now the fish pot that you're looking at is made out of bamboo. So basically, in order to create it, what you do is put the bamboos into thin strips. And somebody who is skilled, who know how to do them thing here with them, do them actually just weave the parts together, create a magnificent fish pot like this. And trust me guys, the fish pot are very productive because here I'm looking from right now, I can tell you there's something inside a fish pot, but we're not really trouble that right now. It's still. It's still a little bit. Something in there. The trick about it guys, whatever is in there cannot come out. Once it gets into it, it cannot come out. So, you guys hear more about that skill, but now, it's still like that. look for the okra. Sometimes also you see okra, guys, and you don't even know the okra plant look like. This is what the okra plant looks like. The okra, as some people call it, this is what the plant looks like. These are very, 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 very fat. And when we say fat, we mean that, you know, they're very rich. They come up nice and flushy. So you know you're gonna yield a lot of okras from these. What you are looking at just looks like bush. But to be honest, guys, this is not just bush. Honestly, you are looking at ginger. So this is a plant for ginger. So we also have ginger on the farm as well. So all of what you are looking at right now. All of what you're looking at right now, guys, is ginger. It's the little pipe. That is the signal that this starting from this road, just ginger going all the way down. Yeah, as far as the eyes can see back here, guys, it's just strictly ginger. I'm gonna take you guys to one more place before we go. I'll show you guys a few of the planting sucker them will just drop in as well. Let me just flip the camera real quick. So, you know, there's some plant where we dropped in recently. Planting suckers. And these, once they come up, man, you're gonna love them. I told you guys that I was gonna be the opportunity to see the nursery, so I'm gonna show you guys the nursery real quick. Hey man, so all you're seeing now, guys, is the nursery. Hey man, all of that is Scotch bonnet pepper. And as far as the eye can see it, this is Scotch bonnet pepper. There's some Scotch bonnet pepper over the side as well. So basically these are just seedlings that will come up, you know. So as soon as these come up, then you know, so we'll just drop them in the farm in another week or so. Right? And so we have to do it the proper way. So we have the screen over here, so I don't know how the thing goes. We have to protect them from getting scotched. Adequate water as well. So yeah, guys, I'm happy that you could have taken the journey with me. Yeah, man, it's your boy Jay says. Glad you could be here with me in the evening, yeah. Taking a little tour and getting a chance to really check out the farm. Looking at the little thing we're going on the farm and thing. Giving you guys a little sneak peek into what's happening behind the scenes. Yeah, man, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And as we always say, Jay says, and we are out of here.